Hello everyone, let's make an update here in crypto markets. So I need to tell you guys that I have been buying a lot of crypto at these levels. Why? Because it could be a life-changing opportunity here, in my opinion. Even if we have some dump, we know the potential of crypto markets. And I'm not sure about the idea that Bitcoin is coming to visit this 200 weekly moving average as it did in the past, and a lot of people they are talking about it and expecting Bitcoin to visit this around 55k. Yes, it's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible, but guys, look at altcoins. Cardano is like at the key support level. I would like be buying Cardano at these levels to take these waves here, but I couldn't because I was not in the market at that time. But now I am here. And look, the opportunity is here for me. In my opinion, I am buying a lot of Cardano. Look at the RSI. The RSI has bottomed again. Okay. And a lot of people they are screaming out, we are in a bear market and blah blah blah. But if you see how far Cardano is from the 200 weekly moving average, it is completely far from the average. And every time it got this far, it jumps back to retest the moving average. So it's like twice if it jumps from here to retest the moving average. And let's suppose it's the bottom of next cycle. Cardano could like make a movement to a massive movement to $6, for example. And checking it without log scale, we can like I wouldn't be surprised if it could hit like levels like in this line here, like Bitcoin did a lot. If we check long term, we can see that Bitcoin actually hits, it makes movements like this. So Bitcoin could hit this line again, boom, 136, and altcoins could like make massive movement. Like I'm not sure that Ethereum is not a good buy here. If we check some other indicators like the Gaussian channel, we can see that Ethereum is already below the Gaussian channel. And okay, it could move a bit more down. I'm not completely sure about this movement, as I said, because look, this is a support level here for Ethereum, 78.6%. So it could act as a support level here. I'm not convinced that it will for sure take shots to 1K USD. I'm not saying it's impossible again, but let's check Ethereum dominance. Ethereum dominance is in the Gaussian channel at the bottom. It's turned green. Okay, but let's remove this part of the chart and only take this one. Last hot season was here. Actually, it was here, this wave. And Ethereum had like this movement upwards, and then later crypto market started shooting again, and Ethereum corrected from this wave here around 61.8% fib level, and now from this wave it is near the 61.8%. It could lose a bit more dominance and come to the 78.6%. Maybe Bitcoin will claim some dominance or even altcoins, I'm not sure, but I am expecting Ethereum dominance to change soon. And if we check here altcoins, they are doing something great. I'm not saying like this chart couldn't hit some levels like, sorry, I cannot guarantee you that it could not make this and then dump, but the alt season could start from here for sure. This could be wave 1, 3, and 5. Okay, so guys, I am not convinced about the bear market yet. I have been buying a lot, This is not financial advice for sure, but I'm just sharing with you what I am doing here in these levels for crypto, okay? Especially for altcoins. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.